myself and the whole family along with my son, we've taken the brain mapping analysis for the elder one. He's 14 years old. I found the entire session to be extremely useful, not just for me, but the hero of the day, that's my son. He would have loved it. The session was long enough for the whole family to understand what we are going to do for the child in the next 2 to 3 years. It's not just about telling him what to do, it's about giving the complete clarity of what as a parent I should do, what as a student now he should do. It's been clarified so very well in the last couple of hours. That's too fantastic. So I was able to see that beaming smile on my son's face as the session progressed. He's not someone who can listen to Gyan for more than 5-10 minutes, but he was with the process completely for the entire duration, which is not a small time. It's 2 to 3 hours of time. Him comfortably sitting and enjoying the discussion is something which I've never seen before. Not even with the most engaging movie he would have ever seen. I haven't. In between, he would have been asking me for popcorns, right? At that break, he was needed. And now, for the entire 3 hours, he enjoyed. Means it literally, worked in terms of motivating him, in terms of giving him the clarity that he was craving for. He was 14, as I've already told. As a teen, he always had that distortions in his mind. What am I going to do? Am I doing the right thing? Hundreds of distractions, right? So I think from tomorrow he's extremely clear about what he's supposed to do, and this session has helped immensely well. And how it has helped us is that as a father, as a mother, as a grandmother, all of us are convinced about what he needs now. So the whole family is going to help him doing what he is dreaming about, right? And we had the conflict, myself and my wife, we both had difference of opinion about what we need to give to Prithvi. But after this session, we are aligned. All 4 of us in the family are aligned towards one goal. And it's good to know that we're going to work together, right? That's the success of this session. Why I would recommend this to any parent is that more often, it's not just me or my wife. We tend to, make the child live our own dreams, but without knowing whether it's going to help the child or it's going to, put him down. Over here, 2 things happened. One, the thought that I had was something similar to the outcome of this one. I'm very much convinced that and confirmed that that path is right. And on the other side, certain other things which I was supposed to do, which is going to, harm him, I'll stop from doing it. So it's going to help any parents. One, you can, if you already have a plan, if it's good for your child, and you can get that 100% confidence level of whether that's going to be doing good or not, you straight away go ahead and do it. Or on the other side, if something what you have in mind is it's going to harm your child, you will automatically stop it. So for this, I would suggest any parent, this is something which must happen in their life, and it's a gift to the child. I was thinking it's an investment for my child. It's actually a gift. I would have preferred to give it to him as a birthday gift, but now is better. It's a good one. Everyone has to take it. Rakesh, sitting here for this entire 2 to 3 hours is not an easy job. For keeping myself interested is kind of easy because I wanted this. But keeping my son interested, my mom interested, my wife interested in the entire discussion, more than anything, keeping every one of us together for this entire 3 hours of duration is not a small task. It's engaging. We were making conversation. It's not like we are listening to something. And he's too good at simplifying the concepts that is behind this, and then presenting it to us in the way we understand. It's not, when I say we, it's a combination of all types of people here. The aged one, the youngest one, and the middle ones. All of us understood everything, right? And keeping this level where it never gets bored. We were all at the edge of our seat and then listening to him. Brilliant work done, Rakesh. Good job. Thank you.